Yes,
them.
indeed, and the Liberty Parachute team will be opening that show each day in their 30th consecutive year. Red, white, and blue is Liberty as we celebrate Independence Day. But before that, and certainly don't forget, looking there
I'd like to make one more parachute. See, that's what I would do when I was flying the Cherokee. Run over there, put two head back on the steering column, and go straight up like that. Don't do it, don't do it. I wouldn't live through it. Will you snuggle in here with us, Jen? What show was that he was doing for? Anyway, he had him on, but he's still right down the road of our house. And his girlfriend was filming. Bring the water. Put the water in here. Do you see those little planes flying around our area from the airport over here? That's what they do. Man's over there. Look, look.
Oh yeah.
Is my car put back together again? Seems like we've used an awful lot. Oh, shit. To fly in one?
No, no, they have a where they all gather and go up.
This is on the Illinois side of the river, across from the arch, called Malcolm W. Memorial Park. Kind of a neat little place that not too many people go to. This guy looks like Beavis or Butthead. I don't know which one it is, but he's definitely, if he's not a cartoon, he's Beavis or Butthead. Corsair. Yep.
Now, Jeff Workinair show left, driving skyward in the extra 300L, where he'll run out of Ford Airspeed energy. Now pushing it over the top, he'll kick a little bit of rudder in, spiraling down, inverted. And the flat spin, now hanging by the trim, losing altitude rapidly at over 160 miles an hour. Jeff will kick a little bit of rudder, stop, he's spinning. Working right now, speeds at nearly 200 miles an hour, pulling bag on the stick nearly 8 times. Force of gravity pushing it back in the seat now. Working up over the top for one roll. Now once again, hanging on the prop, he'll pick the left rudder, left forward stick. Into the hammerhead turnaround now. Keeping that rudder spinning down to the 95 spin. You'll hear some power change. Now back on the direction.
Didn't they stop at Blue Angels? And they can't perform anymore right now because of the thing that didn't get passed in the Congress. What was it thing? Which one?
Oh yeah.
Like a model, That looks like there's nothing to it. This is new this year. We've never had that before. Look how low it is now.
That was engineered and developed by Bob, and he goes into the only sailplane in the world capable of such high speed.
Jet powered. Bet that's a rush.
pushes the stick forward and starts a half a loop. But when things get comfortable, he slams himself down into the seat and draws the donut hole in the sky, and there's rain in that maneuver. And this Picture Award winner skips through the big round of applause, if you will. And he is out for St. Louis. He will be pulling to the vertical, rolling up on the side of the fuselage. Let's change it. And pick it up again, flat for altitude and roll it around. As he rolls the aircraft to speed is the maneuver known as the
And
switch.
it's hard to get a call out
He
from
is
here,
brought to you
don't
by
you?
North American Worldwide Lighthouse Rescue Engines, Movement Propellers, Airflow, Gulf Coast Avionics, as he makes his way down to his maximum line speed. On the way up, he starts to roll the aircraft.
Imagine doing
Still
that
growing
outside.
altitude, but the wall will take over. And the law of gravity, he knows that. It goes to clutch into reverse. He shifts backwards. Backwards and rotating on the front of the engine. Now, back down to the bottom. Into a alpha, meaning high turn. 90 degrees away from the ground. Controlling his rate of descent with no lift from the wings, with nothing but judgment and power from the engine. One by the greatest. I gotta tell you this. It is only past recipients who get to vote, and whose vote counts to select the next year's recipient. Balancing on the prop, parked in the air, wings with no lift. That's strictly power to weight ratio. 400 horsepower on that modified Lycon engine is the only way you can do that, but you need the
It needs to. Shut his motor off. Get everybody scared. Did you see it?